Looking for a place to boat and have your own private boat launch? Well, here it is, River Tree, one of the only communities here on Lake Dunlap, 5 minutes from downtown New Braunfels in River Tree, one of the best kept secrets. You have a place to launch your boat, you have boat slips, you have a private beach, and you've got 300 feet of a private river park in this community. So we're going to take you on a tour, and I hope you enjoy this Lake Dunlap River Park. Life on the lake is good, so welcome to 960 Riverbank, this beautiful river park community on Lake Dunlap, and this home has just come on the market. Let's step inside and see this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath house that has updated carpets, updated flooring, updated everything, and you're sure to fall in love. So welcome to 960 Riverbank.